Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance.
Hey big head, A1s, day ones, and if you're a new one, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, make sure your notification bell is on. Well, I gotta jump right in because I lost some footage. So I'm showing you that I had took the 3XL coffin tips, flipped them upside down, and applied them to my nails like that, girl, and this is what we got. Now, if you're wondering what the hell is this, then for lack of better terms, this is called the duck nail. But I wouldn't say necessarily this set is a duck nail. Duck nails go way back, honey. I remember the era. They are wide. They don't have a moon cut. They work best short. They weren't really wearing them long back then. But the new girls, honey, they have changed the game all the way up. First of all, they have tamed the beast. The nail, the duck nail is no longer flared. She is tapered. She is also long. She is extended and she has a moon cut. She's very sophisticated. She holds charms well. She holds elegant designs well. So although I would say she's a cousin, to me, she's not a duck nail. She's more of a flare, a bell bottom, a tapered duck, I'll accept, you know. But so if you're here for this, we're going to get into this design. Now, this is not a shape I do often. The girls do not ask for it, but she is making a statement, honey, all on her own. So watch out for her. So here are the nails. They're looking beautiful and moisturized. I added my primer. That no lift primer is everything. I'm going to go in with my Cassie. I use my Cassie monomer. I get that from Amazon. I'm also going to use my number 12 Kolinsky Dashboard Beauty brush. And I'm going to go in with a clear base layer. I always add that protective layer. So I'm going to work with that and see if I can turn these into something. Girl, I hope you're here for this. So I hope I was clear on the difference between old school duck, new school duck. The old way a duck was shaped, the new way the ducks are shaped. The short old school duck, the new school extended tapered flare. Are you seeing this, honey? Are you seeing this? She is in her own category. So now I'm going to go in for some color. I'm going to add some nude. That's going to be a good base to work on. And why was I so nervous? We've done this shape maybe once or twice before. So it's definitely out of my comfort zone. And really, I think I tried one short regular duck and one extended taper with no moon cut. But duck is a shape in the nail card deck. So it's in there. It's in there. I avoided it too, girl. I avoided it too. But every now and then, challenge yourself. Step up to the plate. It is a trend. So she's not the old school, ugly, clunky duck, you know, that we recall. She's a new, slender. She's got a BBL. Like, she's a whole new girl. Now, there was a little bit of a struggle, but application was not too bad because these are so tapered. It's more like working on a square, I would say. There's a lot of real estate, a lot of room. You can let the acrylic kind of spread out a bit. That way you get full coverage over the whole tip. So it wasn't too bad. I must say it wasn't too bad. I'm much better at it than I was when I did the previous two sets. I am also loving the straight edge of these flares, like from the natural nail bed and then out, it is straight, and unlike the curve or the traditional duck nail can curve a bit. They're not as straight. They usually do curve a bit, and so you don't really want to be filing the edges on that. You want to keep the shape, although that is what led to the tapered duck. The girls would file the shape and refine the shape and the sidewalls, which led to the flare being decreased, and therefore you got this tapered flare sort of bell bottom nail instead of a traditional wide duck. So I do like that I can file these much easier because they're straight and keep the underside much cleaner. So we're wrapping up the pinky. This is it for my base color. I am going to clear cap all of this. You guys know that's what I do. I don't care what shape it is. It could be the shape of the Empire State Building, and I'm still going to clear cap her. So that's going to give me the shape, the thickness that I like. I'll be able to, like, you know, manipulate my shape and my thickness, make sure my apex is sitting where I want it to sit. And while I have a second, I just want to shout out all my new subbies. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming by the channel. Please give the video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy the videos, the content. If you have any ideas, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Even if it's a negative comment, girl, I'm here for it. What you got to say? And let me know. Duck nails are ugly. We know that. We know that already. Well, what do you think? Did your girl slay or nay? I think we slayed, girl, giving these new shapes a try. I'm gonna shape them off camera. Nail cards are available. They have a duck card. Up your duck game. And I'll see you when I come back. Ooh, do you see it, girl? Do you see it? I slayed my flute, my flares, my boot cut, whatever, my tapered duck. Girl, I felt like a whole new bitch. I was like, okay. Now, she still needs some work because them moon cuts, that is one thing I cannot finesse. I'm going to wait till I got some product on her. That way I can get a sharp, clean cut on them. But I'm ready to design. Are you here for it? I'm going to start off with a layer of base gel because any gel products that I put on here, I want them to really adhere to the nail. I don't want any peeling of my polish. So I want to speak frankly, the major influence on this Black Frenchie was that my middle finger is one of my widest fingers. Like, she already is almost a thumb. Like, she's a 0-1. And because of the shape is just already a bell-bottom shape, I definitely wanted to make her appear thinner and tapered and a smaller or just as small and big as the rest of the nails. So a Black Frenchie is definitely going to conceal how wide she actually is, as opposed to if I went in with, say, like a white or a lighter color on my bigger finger. Black Frenchie's Frenchie. She's looking real cute. I'm real proud of myself. I'm moving on to the next finger. I'm going to work on my pointer. I want to add some color to the set. I want her to be cute and girly, but kind of dark. And also, I'm in the Valentine's Day vibe. I don't know why. Not completely. It's still January. I'm going to go in with this beautiful cotton candy soft bubblegum pink. And I'm going to do another French, girl. Another French. Like, we be doing the Frenchies. We used to never do Frenchies. I was the ombre queen, but now we be doing Frenchies, girls, thanks to the nail cards. Thanks to the nail cards, it inspired me to get more practice. I kept pulling that damn card, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to run from you no more. And now look how good we are at Frenchies. And please know, I did go in with 2 layers of gel polish on the black as well as this pink. All right, so just like I mentioned before, I feel like on the duck nails, just like kawaii nails, you get crazy with it. You get a little crazy with it. You get inspired. A lot of times they have animal print. It's very Lisa Frank. So I'm going to put on some animal print. I'm going to go in for a very elegant, dainty cheetah. I can do a harder, bigger cheetah, but I don't know. For some reason, I just wanted to do a little tiny, dainty one. And so I'm just going to give her a little tiny, dainty animal print. So I'm going to work on the pinky, and I was like, I want to do the same look for some reason. I mean, you know I love cohesion, girl, so nothing gets me hooked more than a set that actually looks like it matches. Even though these nails are crazy, I want them to look like there is a theme, a method to the madness. So I'm going to do the same print on the pinky, a light pink cotton candy French with a little delicate red and black cheetah print. Girl, just tell me you see the body. Do you see the shape? Like, she was doing her thing. She was looking real cute out here. Not a shape that I think I would wear, like, often, like one of the girls. Like, but I'll hang out with her every now and then. I hope you still here because we get into the fun part. I'm going to do some hand painting. That is also another one of the Nailed It Nail cards, so that'll get you going. I remember when I couldn't draw not even a squiggly line, and now we try to draw a little bit something here and there. So I want to go in with this cute little kitty cat. I've seen it before. I've never done it. It's like a version of a Hello Kitty slash a kitty cat, cute little design at the Frenchie. Very cute. I pulled out some Beatles yellow. That's for the nose. And I'm also going to go in with the pink to finish off the rest of the design. Girl, wait till you see this. Look at her. She is so cute. I'm surprised we haven't done this before because I absolutely love cats. And this is an easy design to do if you are a beginner or you're not sure about your design skills. This was super fun with a dotting tool and a art brush. If you're still here, you know how much I love and appreciate you. I want to top coat this nail because I'm ready to get the party started. I don't want nothing to happen to her. I don't want to get gel polish on her. I don't want to mess up the design. So I'm going to top coat her. I got a little something that I want to put on her later, but for right now I'm going to top coat her with some gloss. She looks beautiful. And then I'm going to go in with some flash gel polish on my ring finger. I want to gem her out. I want to bling her out with some chunky charms and make her look real flashy and badass. So in order to make her extra sparkly, I'm going to go in with the flash gel polish. I know you see it. Don't act like you don't see it. That's why we do the extra. That flash, she made a difference. All right, so now we're going to build her up with some gem work. I'll let you watch some of that because, girl, that's so tedious. And you know my little trick, I don't care how it looks to somebody, but I prefer not to put them on the the out-facing edges. I only put them along the front face side of the edges so that way I don't bulk up my edges. Girl, do you see the sparkle? I put a pink planet in the middle. I want to put some more stuff on here that I don't get to play in a lot. But look how cute she is, boy. And she's a wide nail, like full bling on one of these chunky pieces. Like, woo, that's a statement, girl. She's big, she's bulky, she's heavy. But she looks so good. I tried to keep her tapered. So I'm finishing up. I'm adding little details. I'm going to go in with acrylic for my chunkier pieces because, you know, after a while of doing this, you just start to realize the acrylic is the best way to go on a chunkier piece. Unless it's a little tiny rhinestone, I'm telling you, anything about as big as this little bow, just use a dollop of acrylic. So for an extra little added surprise, a little accent, a little extra effort to the set, I got these little molds. I mean, tiny little molds. They came in like a 5-pack of other tiny little molds that I don't even use. But I have them and it's a cute little bow. And I'm going to add a little white bow to my middle finger. I always tell you, if you have acrylics that you're not using or they don't work well, use them in a mold. They make really cute charms. You can make your own charms. Because, honey, this little bitty bow, this little bitty baby bow, I was like, what? But you know what? She's not going to be clunky. Hopefully, she won't snag on too much. And I'm going to apply her with clear acrylic. Very cute. Very cutesy, very demure. She was sitting real cute, and I love it. Girl, these are the nails, and I'm not even gonna hold you. The itty bitty baby bow was not doing it for me on the thumb, so we definitely went in and changed that, but we'll get into that later. What do you think? I feel like she's giving me what I need her to give. She is based on duck nails, so if you get the NAILEDIT Nail card deck, you will definitely end up playing with this card for sure. I super appreciate y'all. I'm gonna put up my photo shoot. Hold up, let me let y'all see this. Ladies, I hope you love these nails and you think the design is cute. I super appreciate you for coming by and watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I can tell, but I could never write my wrongs unless I write it down for real. Yes.